So good morning students. Now we are doing 10th class Cbse and state Pythagoras theorem. Let us continue the top session now. This is the top problem. In an equilateral triangle ABC, the side BC is trisected at D. Prove that 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. In an equilateral triangle, what is that given? In an equilateral triangle, side BC is trisected at D. Prove that 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. What do you mean by trisection? Dividing the line segment into 3 equal parts. Right? Dividing the line segment into 3 equal parts. So therefore, D is the trisection point given. Since D is the trisection point, therefore, since D is the trisection point, therefore DB is equal to 1/3 of BC, right? DB is 1/3 of BC. Why? Because D is the trisection point given, right? Are you following? Trisection means dividing the line segment into 3 equal parts. So this part is only given. So this part is nothing but 1/3 of BC. Right. Next. Now draw AM perpendicular to BC. Draw AM perpendicular to BC. So therefore, triangle AMB is congruent to triangle AMC by RHS property. RHS property. These two triangles are congruent. Why? Because 90 degrees, both hypotenuse, equilateral triangle, and this side. Therefore, you can write here angle AMB is equal to angle AMC. Both are 90, and AB side AB is equal to AC. Also, AM is equal to AM common. So therefore, these two triangles are congruent. Therefore, these two triangles are congruent means BM is equal to MC, right? BM is equal to MC. That is equal to 1/2 of BC. Half of BC. BM is equal to MC is equal to half of BC. Now next one. Mark this as 1, mark this as 2. Now I want to calculate DM length. DM. What is DM length? How will we get this total minus BM minus BD. Right? So BM length already we know, half of BC minus BD length. BD length already we got no 1/3 of BC. What are you following? DM length is nothing but half of BC. DM length I want to calculate. So DM length is half of BC minus BD length is 1/3 of BC. Why we are written from 1 and 2. So take the LCM. This is nothing but 1/6 of BC. Right? So up until here, any doubts? Just I apply trisection point. Then I wrote that triangles are congruent. Then BM is equal to MC. Then I calculated DM. Why? Because I want to consider this triangle. See here, this shading part. This shading part is clear. Now, what is considered triangle AB? Is considered triangle ABM. Right? Consider triangle ABM. ABM. In this is the hypotenuse. So, what can you say? That one. What can you say? How will you get this hypotenuse square? AM square is equal to AB square minus BM square. In this, consider right angle triangle ABM. AM square. How will you get this AM square? Hypotenuse square minus BM square. Mark this as 1. Now consider triangle ADM. ADM. How will you get this hypotenuse? How will you get this hypotenuse? AM square is equal to hypotenuse square minus this square. AD square minus DM square. Right? Once again I will explain. In this triangle, this is the hypotenuse. So in order to get this one, hypotenuse square minus DM square. That only I did. Consider triangle ADM. Now in this triangle, this is the hypotenuse. So this is the hypotenuse. For this hypotenuse, in order to get this hypotenuse, what I should do? This is the hypotenuse, no? So therefore, how will get this one? AM square, hypotenuse square minus DM square. Right? So AM square both are same. So you can equate. So you can equate means AB square minus DM square is equal to AD square minus DM square. Right? So here AB square minus BM length already we calculated, no? BM is nothing but 1/2 of BC. AD square write as it is minus DM length. DM length is nothing but 1/6 of BC. DM length, see here DM 1/6 of BC. So AB square is equal to 1/4 BC square is equal to AD square minus 1/36 BC square, right? So AB square minus, you bring this to here, 1/4 BC square plus 1/36 BC square is equal to AD square, right? AD square minus, take the LCM, that is 36. 4 9 is 36, 9 1 is 9 plus 1/36 BC square. Right? Here, or else otherwise do one thing. Bring this to that side and let this be as it is. AB square is equal to AD square plus 1/4 BC square. This that side minus 1/36 BC square. Right? Now AD square 4 9s are 36, 9 1s are 9 minus this one is as is 36. So AD square 9 minus 1 is 8/36 BC square. Once again, what I am doing is AB square as is. I want to write minus 1/4 to that side. So it will become plus 1/4. 4 9 is 36, 9 1s are 9, 36 1s are 36, 9. 9 minus 1 is 8/36 BC square. AB square is equal to this one. 4 2s are 8, 4 9s are 36. Right? Now, AB square is equal to AD square plus 2/9 BC square. Now bring this to here. AB square minus 2/9 BC square is equal to AD square. Right? So again here AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. Equilateral triangle. Given that triangle is equilateral. So therefore in place of BC I can write AB minus 2/9 AB whole square is equal to AD square. Are you following? In place of BC I can write AB. So 9 minus 2 is 7/9 AB square is equal to AD square. So 7 AB square is equal to 9 AD square. So there ends the problem. It's a little bit tough, but whatever the conditions I have given starting, those are very important. This is very simple. Equilateral, consider right angle triangle, therefore equate both. Here one thing is important, AB square equations. Keep in mind what we have to prove. 7 AB square is equal to 9 AD square. So take the LCM. Therefore we got like this. But here again last point is very important. AB and BC both in an equal triangle, all sides are equal. Therefore this ends the problem. This is little bit tough but easy to understand. Next one.